Hey all, welcome to Karthik Tech Solution channel. Today in this video session I will clarify how to write a script based on user defined variables, right? So we know very well about before I have uploaded about system defined variable, but today in this video session I will show you how to write a script for user defined variable. So whoever not gone through still for user defined variable, I would like to request them please go through that first, so that user defined variable which script I am going to write now, it will be better understanding for you, else it will be a bit confusing. So before that you need, because why I am saying to go for the system defined variable and first understand it, there I mention what is system defined variable, what is user defined variable, how user defined variable can work and how system defined variable can work. Okay, but before starting this script also I'm gonna to remember you for small things, for small different in between system defined and user defined. Well, so how, if I'll execute here date command, it's going to show me date only, right? If I'll execute here cal, it's going to show me calendar only, right? If I'll execute here cal 2019, it's going to show me 2019 is going to show me 2019 calendar full, Jan to December, right? So it means this variable already been set. Which variable already been set? That's called system defined variable. And which variable we are going to set according to our understanding, according to our remember in future, that's called user defined. Like how, take a small example, I want to set x value, and then later I'll call that is called user defined. So how, if I'll give x equal to Linux, so then when I'll call echo $x, it will give me Linux, because this x value I set Linux. Okay, this x value I set Linux. Getting it? So this is a small difference. For brief information, I like to inform you, please click system defined variable script which I already been uploaded in my portal, in my YouTube channel. If you click on that, it will be better understanding for you, then you can move forward user defined variable. However it is, now I am going to explain how to write user defined variable. I will put some of the example in that script and then I will go to run it. Then when you run it, you will come to know how it is working. So now I written here already, because for writing the script it will take some more time, so I don't want to waste your time. I already written here. I will just explain you what is the use of which line and what is the use of for which variable things, and then I am going to execute it. Okay, so I written the script here, so let me copy from here to somewhere else. So this is the script, right? Now let me enter in that. What I written here, first I given cVang, then interpreter, then I clear the screen, then I mention so and so, below user defined variable start, and I message, in message I given system information, host name I given, followed by $, because it's going to call by uname value, the same thing kernel version as well, the same thing RHEL version as well, cat etc red hat release, and then IP address as well, and then MAC address as well. Okay, might be this MAC address command is bit confusion for you, so let me explain this. How MAC you need to give like that, $ in bracket you are writing the command. So what you are writing when you are executing if config -a, it's giving blah blah kind of thing, and in between that giving IP address as well, right? So we don't want to see this story. We want to filter only the MAC address. So how we can filter? Just give that Ethernet So grep, you don't know whether Ethernet is link or ether which is there, so give total link and ether and put in the double quotation and give pipe. Awk means just grep it, grep the table contents. That is called awk, nothing else. Apart from that, this awk is such a big concept. Okay, in advanced level I'll explain how this thing work properly. So now, as of now, you just understand awk is nothing but by awk you can filter the data, which data is belongs to a particular kind of table. That is what, nothing else. So now hyphen capital F, hyphen capital is nothing but it's going to figure out. Okay, what is going to figure out? After figure out, I given here double quotations start and double quotation end here. So it means here I'm going to concept, here I'm going to close one concept, then I'm going to print. Make sure when I'm writing a print and in a print value and you are calling the same by numeric value. I mean, if you are calling a numeric value by printing print option, not by echo option, at that time you need to write the same in curly bracket and make sure in that curly bracket should be in single quotation and close the round bracket. Why here round bracket? Because of in this round bracket we have entered something numerical value, that so that you need to give round bracket, nothing else. Then I given so and so line I mentioned user defined variable end here. Okay, it was start there, it's end here. Now by echo command I am going to call on above all those things. By echo command, by echo I am going to print all above variables which has been set by me, nothing else. So let me explain you. Echo, I mentioned here message. Which message it will show? This message it will show. Now echo hyphen e. Hyphen e nothing but it's going to explorer. Okay, one more concept is there called expr. That is advanced level concept. When I'll mention the same, I'll mention about, I'll clarify about that briefly. Okay, so as of now you just keep in your mind hyphen e is nothing but we are going to explore a particular thing. Now echo hyphen e host name, then forward slash hyphen t, forward slash t. T is nothing but it's going to give one tab space and dollar, and I'm giving the host name in curly bracket. So what it is going to do? It's going to call host name value. Where we set this variable? We set here only, right? We set here. So it means this value uname hyphen n, this value who will call? This dollar will call. Okay, now here in this, by this way I set variable, by this way I am going to print the message. So this dollar will call this value, this dollar will call this value. So here we set variable according to that same thing I mentioned all over: kernel version, res version, IP address as well as MAC address. Then end the session, end the script, and then save it. This is what all about it. Now what I'll do, if you will save it, if you'll and then execute it, it's going to show you the information. See what is going to, it's not going to give me a different kind of things, blah blah story. It's given me host name, kernel version, RHL version, then IP address, then MAC address. IP address I did not set here, so that is not showing. If you set here, it will show. This is my Ethernet, right? EM O 1677736. Then I'll give you ID 192.168.0.1 off. Then you can give config hyphen a. The IP is showing here, right? Which I have been set. So now if you execute the same command, same script, it's going to show you the IP address as well. See the IP address, right? So this is all about this script. End of this session, I'd like to request to everyone, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, so for that I can bring many more concepts in front of you. Thanks for clicking these videos.